So hello guys, I am Surbhi and today I'll show you how you can draw this cute smiley mandala. And if you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. And also make sure you subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this. Let's begin. So we will start by drawing a circle. So we will draw a circle of 3 centimeter. The radius of this circle is 3 centimeter. We are drawing this circle with a pen. And then take the radius of 3.7 centimeter and draw the next circle. So the radius of second circle is 3.7 centimeter. Make sure you draw second and third circle with pencil because we will make patterns in them. After this, take a radius of 4.5 centimeter and draw another circle with pencil. So take a radius of 4.5 centimeter and draw another circle. And that's it, you just need 3 circles to draw this mandala. And after drawing all these circles, grab your gel pen and darken the first circle. So we will darken this first circle with our gel pen and then we will start drawing patterns. So in the first row, we will draw some simple rounded patterns like this. So in this row, draw a rounded pattern like this. Because beginners find it difficult to make pointed petals, so we will use simple petals in this video. So we will make rounded petals and make sure they are all uniform. They touch the circle. The end point of these petals touch the circle and don't make these petals bigger than the circle. So we will complete making rounded petals in this row. And this is a very simple mandala, so I am not using grid in this. We will complete this row. So after completing all these rounded petals, we will start making patterns. So draw a line and a dot and then two small lines at both sides. So we will draw a line between and a dot and draw two lines like this. This is a very simple pattern, so even if you are a beginner you can make mandala using this pattern. So in this first row we will use this simple pattern and complete this row. If you want you can use just a line and a dot. If you don't want to add two more lines in this, you can customize your pattern according to you. So let's complete this row. So after completing first row, we will use two of these rounded petals and make one petal like this. So use two of these rounded petals and make one petal like this. And then double the lining of this petal to make a design in this. We will double the lining of this petal and draw a line, and then at one side we will draw diagonal lines like this. So at one side draw diagonal lines like this, and then at another side we will draw a line and make a simple circle, small circle like this. So our first petal is completed. Now we will complete this row by using the same pattern. I'll show you some more patterns. So we will make petals like this. Make sure that your petal touches the circle and then double the lining, draw a line in between and then draw some diagonal lines at one side and a line and a small circle. This is also a very simple pattern, but make sure that you make petals as uniform as possible. So we will complete this row by drawing this same pattern. And also one more thing, if you are someone who wants to learn mandala art from scratch, I am starting the beginner series from next week, so make sure you watch that series. And I guarantee you that in the end of that series you will be able to make mandalas by your own. So definitely make sure to watch that series. After completing this row, we will draw eyes and smile for our smiley drawing. So let's draw eyes. So first we will make these with pencil and then we will fill color in this circle. So now grab yellow color and we will fill in this circle. So let's fill the circle with yellow color. After that, make these eyes and this smile with your black gel pen. So we will complete making these with gel pen. So now our cute little smiley mandala is completed, and make sure you subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments if you find this video helpful, and also tell me what kind of tutorials I should make next. And thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay connected.